Ever wondered how office design is changing the way we work? From collaborative zones to spaces that prioritize wellness, today's offices are built to boost creativity and productivity like never before. Imagine stepping into an office that feels more like a creative sanctuary than a traditional workspace. We're diving into some of the most transformative, inspiring office spaces around the world. Join us as we explore the incredible ways modern office designs are reshaping workplaces and making workdays more enjoyable. The Collaborative Hub. Picture this: an office where collaboration isn't just encouraged, it's embedded in every corner. Collaborative hubs bring people together, creating open spaces with flexible furniture and inviting areas for brainstorming. The design is all about breaking down barriers, so whether it's beanbags, standing desks, or modular seating, these spaces invite you to move, chat, and connect. Everything here is movable, adaptable, and built to support teamwork that flows naturally. Imagine walking into a space where you're not tied down to a specific desk but can choose where to sit based on what your team needs that day. With no fixed layout, you can gather for a quick brainstorming session, shift into solo work, or regroup as a team. It's not just a desk, it's a playground for ideas, with every piece of furniture encouraging you to think, share, and build on each other's creativity. This setup doesn't just benefit the work, it also transforms the vibe of the office. People feel more connected, engaged, and energized when collaboration is woven into the physical environment. Studies have shown that when teams have the space to interact freely, productivity soars, and people feel more satisfied with their work. So next time you step into a collaborative hub, remember, it's designed to fuel those spontaneous aha moments. It's a space where walls disappear, ideas grow, and every day feels a little more inspired. Biophilic office design. Imagine stepping into an office that feels like a breath of fresh air, almost as if you've entered a modern jungle oasis. Biophilic office design brings nature indoors, creating a space where plants, natural light, and earthy textures become an essential part of the workspace. It's not just about decoration, it's about surrounding yourself with elements that reduce stress, improve focus, and boost overall well-being. You can feel the energy shift the moment you step into a space where nature meets design. Picture this: lush green walls, sunlight pouring through large windows, and soft natural wood elements that instantly make you feel grounded. In biophilic spaces, plants aren't just tucked into a corner, they're front and center, often arranged in living walls or cascading from the ceiling. It's about making you feel connected to the outside world, even when you're working indoors, giving you that sense of calm and focus that only nature can bring. This design concept doesn't just look great, it actively improves your environment. Studies show that biophilic spaces can reduce fatigue and improve creativity and mood, especially in high-stress work environments. Adding water features, natural textures, and colors inspired by earth tones can make you feel more energized and at ease, even during a busy day. When you're in a biophilic office, it's almost like you're recharging with every breath. It's about creating a balance between work and wellness, a place where productivity and relaxation coexist beautifully. The Agile Workspace. Imagine an office where you can choose where and how you work, depending on what you need at the moment. That's the beauty of an Agile Workspace, a flexible setup designed for adaptability, giving you the freedom to switch between different work zones effortlessly. Here, you're not tied to one desk all day. Instead, you have options, whether it's a cozy nook for focused work, a collaborative table for team sessions, or a quiet corner for calls. It's all about making sure your workspace supports your needs in real time. In an Agile Workspace, every area serves a purpose, and you're encouraged to move around based on your tasks. This might mean starting your day in a group setting for brainstorming, then shifting to a standing desk to tackle emails, or winding down in a lounge area to review reports. This fluidity keeps your energy up and allows you to work in ways that keep you most productive. It's like the office adapts to you rather than the other way around. One of the coolest aspects of Agile Workspaces is the sense of choice and freedom they offer. You're empowered to find what works best for you, whether that's an open table for spontaneous chats or a private pod for deep concentration. This setup breaks down the barriers of a traditional office where you're often stuck at the same desk. Instead, it makes the office feel dynamic, engaging, and tailored to you. An Agile Workspace not only boosts productivity but also makes work more enjoyable and personalized. You get to choose spaces that inspire you, helping you stay engaged and refreshed throughout the day. It's about creating a workspace that evolves with you, keeping things exciting and perfectly suited to a modern, fast-paced work style. Wellness-focused office spaces. Let's dive into an office design trend that's truly all about you, wellness-focused office spaces. These spaces prioritize both your mental and physical well-being, creating an environment where you can thrive instead of just getting by. Think cozy relaxation corners with soft lighting, peaceful nooks for meditating, and ergonomic furniture that helps you work comfortably for hours. Wellness design is like bringing the calm and balance of home right into the office, helping you feel at ease and in control. Envision yourself walking into a workspace that has greenery and natural light all around. These elements aren't just for show, they have real benefits like reducing stress and boosting focus. Plants, for instance, naturally purify the air and make the office feel alive, while natural light helps regulate mood and energy. Being surrounded by nature-inspired elements can genuinely make your workday feel lighter and more refreshing. Now consider how a wellness-focused office keeps you active. It might have standing desks, wellness rooms, and spaces for quick stretches or exercise, encouraging you to move throughout the day. These spaces aren't about rigid routines, but about giving you options to stretch, take breaks, and keep your energy high. Wellness design integrates movement effortlessly, helping you feel physically revitalized without even thinking about it. A wellness-focused office space is more than just aesthetics. It's a mindset that values your health and happiness. These spaces remind you that productivity is about feeling good, staying balanced, and having the freedom to care for yourself. Working in a wellness-centered environment makes each day feel a little brighter and helps you bring your best self to every task, every project, and every interaction. Digital integration zones. Let's explore a space where technology meets convenience. Digital integration zones. These areas are designed to seamlessly blend digital tools into your workflow, making collaboration smoother and keeping everyone in sync. Think about having access to digital screens for brainstorming, video conferencing setups for virtual meetings, and interactive boards that let you visualize ideas instantly. It's about bringing the digital world right into your workspace so that connecting and collaborating is as easy as a tap or a swipe. Now, envision being able to jump into a quick virtual meeting with your team without worrying about setup delays or tech issues. Digital integration zones are all about reliable, accessible tech that's ready when you are. With tools like wireless connectivity, quick plug-in stations, and charging points everywhere, you're empowered to use any device without missing a beat. These spaces streamline tech use, so you spend less time troubleshooting and more time focusing on what matters. Consider the creative boost that comes from having digital tools right at your fingertips. Imagine a wall that's essentially a giant digital canvas, where you can sketch out ideas, map out strategies, or brainstorm with your team in real time. These tools make it easy to save, share, and revisit ideas, helping projects move forward quickly. Having digital resources like this doesn't just make work easier. It turns the workspace into an interactive hub where ideas come to life. Digital integration zones make tech feel intuitive and user-friendly, creating a truly modern workspace. Whether you're working in person or connecting remotely, these zones bridge the gap, helping you stay productive, connected, and creative. This is more than just a desk and a screen. It's a workspace that adapts to your needs and keeps pace with the digital age. Hot desking areas. Let's dive into a concept that's reshaping modern offices: hot desking areas. These spaces are all about flexibility, giving you the freedom to choose where you work each day. Instead of assigned desks, hot desking allows you to pick any available spot, offering a fresh environment daily. It's like having a workspace that adapts to your needs, whether you're in the mood for a quiet corner or a lively communal table. Think about the energy boost you get when you're not anchored to one spot. With hot desking, you can connect with different team members, sparking spontaneous conversations and ideas that wouldn't happen in a traditional setup. It's a fantastic way to break the routine and keep your days dynamic. Plus, this layout brings a more open and collaborative feel to the office, encouraging a culture of movement and interaction. Now consider the convenience this setup brings. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and hello to clean, organized stations where you can plug in and get started right away. With everything you need already set up, hot desking takes away the hassle of maintaining a personal desk, making it easy to focus on work the minute you sit down. Storage lockers, charging points, and quick access tools ensure you have everything you need, no matter where you land. Ultimately, hot desking areas are designed for today's flexible, fast-paced work environment. They promote adaptability and a sense of community, transforming the office into a space that flows with you. Whether you're collaborating, brainstorming, or diving into focused work, hot desking gives you the freedom to choose your ideal setting, making every day at the office feel like a new experience. Office cafes and lounges. Stepping into an office cafe or lounge area feels like a refreshing change of pace. These spaces are designed to bring a bit of comfort and relaxation into the work environment, offering you a spot to recharge between tasks. It's more than just a place to grab coffee. It's where casual conversations spark big ideas and creative thinking flows naturally. With cozy seating, ambient lighting, and a welcoming vibe, these areas feel less like an office and more like a modern cafe. You'll find that office cafes and lounges are fantastic for informal meetings and brainstorming sessions. Instead of the rigid atmosphere of a traditional meeting room, these spaces give everyone a relaxed environment where ideas can pop up more organically. Here you can grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and dive into discussions that feel less like work and more like a creative exchange. It's a setting that promotes open dialogue, allowing ideas to flow freely and comfortably. These spaces also give you a mental break without leaving the office. A few moments in the lounge can be just the reset you need, breaking up the intensity of your day. It's a chance to step away from your desk, gather your thoughts, and return to work feeling more focused and refreshed. The inviting design, whether with comfy couches, plants, or soft lighting, is crafted to soothe and inspire. Office cafes and lounges redefine what it means to work comfortably. They're spaces where you can connect with colleagues, find a moment of peace, and fuel your productivity, all in one. So, whether it's for a quick break, a casual chat, or a change of scenery, these areas bring an element of relaxation to your workday, making it easy to stay energized and inspired throughout. Quiet zones and focus rooms. Quiet zones and focus rooms are the perfect escape when you need some undisturbed time to think, create, or plan. In today's open offices, having a place where you can truly concentrate without interruptions can make all the difference in getting quality work done. These zones are set apart from the buzz of the main office, designed to help you block out distractions and get into a productive flow. It's all about having that focused space where you can be as efficient as possible, without the usual noise of the workplace around you. The design of these rooms speaks to productivity. With soundproofing, comfortable seating, and minimal decor, everything is arranged to let you hone in on what's important. You might find calming colors on the walls or subtle lighting that reduces strain on your eyes, adding to the atmosphere of deep concentration. It's a space that doesn't just look quiet, it feels quiet, giving you that mental space to dive into demanding tasks with full attention. For those moments when a project needs undivided focus or calls for a bit of creativity, these zones become invaluable. You can walk into one of these rooms knowing it's a place to brainstorm, strategize, or even just recharge. Away from the hustle and bustle, you'll find that the environment itself encourages clear thinking, helping you work smarter, not harder. This separation from the main office area is key to breaking free of interruptions and allowing for a truly immersive work session. Quiet zones and focus rooms redefine what it means to get in the zone at work. They offer a simple but powerful solution to the distractions of modern offices, creating a retreat where your productivity and creativity can thrive. When focus is everything, these spaces provide exactly what you need, a sanctuary for your most important tasks. Eco-friendly and sustainable spaces. Sustainable office spaces are changing the way we think about the workplace. It's all about designing environments that not only look good but also do good for the planet. Eco-friendly offices focus on reducing waste, conserving energy, and using materials that have minimal impact on the environment. These spaces bring in everything from recycled furniture to energy-efficient lighting, making sustainability a core part of daily work life. Greenery is also a big part of these spaces, adding both beauty and functionality. Plants help purify the air, absorb toxins, and create a calming atmosphere that helps everyone feel a bit more connected to nature. Some of these offices even include indoor gardens or green walls, bringing the outdoors inside in a way that's beneficial to both the employees and the planet. It's a refreshing shift, where you feel the positive impact of a greener workspace every day. But it's not just about the decor, it's about the little things that add up to make a big difference. From composting stations to water-saving fixtures, eco-friendly offices encourage sustainable habits. By integrating these elements, workplaces can help reduce their carbon footprint, showing employees that small changes can make a huge impact. It's an everyday reminder that sustainability starts with each of us, right here at work. Ultimately, eco-friendly spaces set the stage for a better future. They create an environment that's healthier, more inspiring, and aligned with the values of a generation that cares about the planet. These offices don't just serve as a place to work, they serve as a commitment to sustainability, showing that even our workspaces can play a part in protecting the Earth. Personalized zones for creative expression. Creative expression zones are where office spaces get personal and unique. These are areas where team members can showcase their personalities, skills, and ideas in ways that go beyond traditional work tasks. It's like an open canvas where employees can bring in their own artwork, pin up inspiring quotes, or even add custom furniture pieces. These spaces not only make the office feel more like a second home, but also celebrate the individuality of each team member. These zones might be filled with murals, collaborative art walls, or even whiteboards covered in colorful sketches. Here, employees feel free to express themselves and think out loud. It's a place that encourages spontaneous brainstorming, where ideas flow and creativity is genuinely embraced. Walking through a creative expression zone, you feel the buzz of energy, a vibe that says every idea matters and every voice has a place. Another interesting twist is how these zones often adapt and evolve over time. They're meant to be dynamic, responding to the team's changing needs and new bursts of creativity. One month the walls might be filled with motivational artwork, and the next it's all about showcasing new project concepts. It keeps things fresh and exciting, giving everyone something to look forward to and be part of. Ultimately, these personalized zones are a celebration of creativity, collaboration, and connection. They allow you to step away from your desk and interact with your coworkers in a fun, unstructured way. It's not just about productivity, it's about fostering a sense of community and allowing every individual's personality to shine through, making work feel just a little bit more like play. That wraps up our journey through the world of innovative office spaces. These designs aren't just changing how workplaces look, but how they function, promoting creativity, well-being, and teamwork. If you enjoyed exploring these amazing spaces with us, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dwellscape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the incredible places that shape our world.